Good afternoon, this is a Morse code generator, and my message is, hello, I am Daniel. And if we reset it, we begin. I have a 2-second delay between characters, and 4 seconds between characters. A dash should be half a second, or a dot should be half a second, and a dash should be 1.5 seconds. And we restart it. And that begins. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and then E space. Dot. 2 seconds. 2. And then the 2 second for the character. And then the O, which is 3 long. And now the word break, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if we want to write the I down, should be dot, dot. They're both quick. We know that's another 4-second delay, and we should go to the A into the M. But also, if we look here, I have it printed out, real time. So we'll wait for the D, which is printing. You can see it printing there. And if you don't believe me, and that was the O. There it is. Hello, I am Daniel. Thank you.